Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced small cap show in which we bring you the best press releases coming out of the small cap world every morning at or before the open so you can profit from it throughout the day. Now, we're still in the middle of Q2. We're August 8th, and I want to start off with some great news on the earnings front and on news development. We're going to start off first with China Direct. Trades on the OTC under the stock symbol CHND. Huge numbers out of China Direct. Revenues for Q2, $40.45 million. Earnings per share, 15 cents. Net income, $2.2 million plus. Now, the company's made severe increases since last year when their revenues were just $180,000 and their gross profit was just $46,000. What I like about this, the jump is attributable to making 3 new acquisitions since October of last year. China Direct is looking to acquire great Chinese companies, amalgamate them under one umbrella, and generate these great results. So they're obviously having success at it. They're trading at $4. But if they keep going on this path, I can see great growth for China Direct. Take a closer look at them. Up next, Phonetime Inc. trades on the TSX Venture under the stock symbol PHD and the OTC under the stock symbol PHOEF. They announced year-to-date revenues as of the end of July of just over $50 million. And the company provides long-distance telecom services. They're in about 140 countries around the world. They're trading at 30 cents, and they've logged a total of 1.5 billion minutes of long-distance traffic so far in 2007. What I like about this company, there are a lot of little telecom companies out there trying to get into this space, not doing very well. Phonetime is obviously doing something well and executing on the plan. Growth is large. Take a look at them, trading at about 30 cents. Next up, Platan Energy, trading under the stock symbol PLTG on the OTC. They drilled one of their 50 holes on one of their prospective land holdings and struck oil. Too premature to assess the value of it or what production might be, but they're off to a great start, and they're estimating that this land package, if everything goes as well as they think it's going to go, they estimate initial production for all completed wells could be as much as $750,000 per month. Now, we know that this is the oil industry, and there's a long way to go. They've got to drill 49 more holes, but last week apparently, take a close look for yourself, but they secured about $5 million in financing to get the work done. So financing plus their first hole is off to a good start. Definitely worth a closer look, trading at 32 cents. Next up, ZAGG Inc., another OTC company that put out their Q2 numbers. They trade under the OTC and the stock symbol ZAGG. Revenues for the 6 months ended June 30th, just under $1.6 million, an increase of 37%. Gross profit, $1.2 million, just over that. What do these guys do? I like it because it looks like they're in a high-growth industry. They provide clear protective coverings and accessories for electronic gadgets and consumer things. So iPods, MP3 players, your cellular phone, all those things, this is what they provide. So I have to imagine this clear coating, they've got an incredibly high margin on this. And what I like about it is that they're selling these products out of online, college bookstores, Mac stores, that's pretty impressive, and mall kiosks. So trading at $2. Take a closer look at ZAGG. Finally, QSGI Inc., which trades on the stock symbol QSGI, again on the OTC. Big revenues, $9.7 million, but that's a big fall from revenues at the same time last year of about $15 million. And they also had a drop in their net income. They went from a small net income to a small net loss. Press release was way too long, way too convoluted, and we couldn't figure it out in the little time we had before the open. So you might want to take a closer look as to why that's occurring. Finally, came over the wires late, just before we came to air, so we couldn't get all the details. But Drinks America, we're familiar with this company. We've seen them at other conferences in the past. Trading on the stock symbol DKAM on the OTC BB. A bunch of fun guys. We've seen them at the Pipes conference. Don't really know them yet, but they're obviously doing well. Record revenues for the quarter, $6.1 million. We got that out of the heading. We couldn't go any deeper, so go take a look at Drinks America because they're definitely on the growth path. Now, great news for you to profit from, but as always, want to remind you, agoracom.com. Go to Marketplace. We've got about 65 public companies there for you to take a closer look at. Quick summaries, quick scan, separated by industries, exchanges, makes it real easy for you. So if you haven't got great ideas here, go to the AGORACOM Marketplace. That's a wrap for the day. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.